Right here, just like a little freezer thing here. You can put all your beer in it or something. I don't know how it works, but it sure is clever. Storage thing here. Ooh. The hatches all work? Right. I just want to, yeah, look at this. Rudders are great shape. Look at the hull, the water line. There is nothing growing on it. Siam mist. Siam mist. I don't know what that means, but alright. Hull looks really nice along the water line. Nothing growing on it. Well maintained. Well maintained. I could be happy with that. That is my favorite view. Right up front. Just for all you Tarzan fans out there, I am now officially on the John Clayton Memorial Highway. Wow! For those of you who don't know, John Clayton is Tarzan. Wow! Check it out. Look at me going. Oh, it's 55. I better drive faster. People are going to start honking at me. It's like Candyland. Which one do I pick? Which one do I pick? Ooh, I can see it. All the way up on the left, they said. Oh, there she is, the Black Pearl. Whoa, big keel. Alright, I'm pretty acrobatic, but how the heck am I supposed to get up there? Oh well. I'm not going to show you how I got up here. Oh, I like these decks. Look at this. Nice. Wow. That's a space. That's a room up here. He's got a tiller. Got a tiller. Mark will hate it. Nice. Oh, bumpers. I like this book. Very nice. Oof. Nice. Plenty of room. Now the wood slides out. Wow, I like that. Facing out, the wheel can't fit in on the bike, but coming in, looking in the back, that aft quarter berth. Wow. Okay, telescope. Trunk, everything fits back there easy. Alright, I have plenty of storage space in here. Let's see what we got. So a table. Got a fridge. Nice new fridge. Electric. Propane. Pantry. Oh, scuba gear. Done that.